Overview of Computerized Accounting System. 8. Learning Objectives. After studying this chapter, you will be able to understand the need of computerized accounting system. Appreciate the impact of information technology on financial accounting system. Describe the major functions of accounting information system is. Introduction. In modern business, accounting transactions are processed through computers. Usage of computers and information technology, it enables a business to quickly, accurately and timely access the information that helps in decision making. This sharpens the competitive edge and enhances profitability. The computer system's figure 1.1 works with the data which is processed by the hardware commanded by the user through software. The computerized accounting system CAS has the following components. Procedure, a logical sequence of actions to perform a task. Data, the raw fact as input for any business application. People, users, hardware, computer, associated peripherals, and their network. Software, system software and application software. These are the 5 pillars on which computerized accounting system rests. This chapter discusses the concept and components of CAS along with its advantages and disadvantages. It is followed by the discussion of software packages on CAS. In this chapter, we will also discuss the concept about grouping of accounts and codification methods to be used for CAS. Reprint 2024-25. Computerized Accounting System. 1.1 Computerized Accounting System. Computerized accounting system refers to the processing of accounting transaction through the use of hardware and software in order to produce accounting records and reports. CAS takes accounting. Figure 1.1 Components of computer transactions as inputs that are processed through accounting software to generate the following reports. Day books, journals, ledger, trial balance, position statement, balance sheet, statement of profit and loss account, basic flow of accounting transaction. Do. Figure 1.2 Data to information by business application software. Reprint 2024-25. Overview of computerized accounting system. Data and information. Various items of accounting transactions are essentially the data items, which are processed through an accounting software to generate different sets of information in the form of accounting reports such as journals, ledger, etc. A data item data element is the smallest named unit of data in the information system. In accounting, a transaction consists of 4 data elements, such as name of account, accounting code, date of transaction and amount. The transaction as a record of inflow and outflow of resources. We may observe figure 1.3 how data, days worked and rate is being multiplied together converted into information amount to pay. The information may be viewed as data at one level, and when it is processed keeping in view the requirements of decision maker, it becomes the information at another level. 1.2 Components of CAS. The manual system of accounting is traditionally most popular method of keeping records of financial transactions of an organization. Financial statements are the end products of the accounting process which are prepared in accordance with generally accepted accounting principles. GAAP. The accounting cycle means the processes involved in identifying, measuring and communicating the information. The basic phases of the cycle are as follows. Business transactions are analyzed. The transactions are recorded in the journal. Journal entries are posted to the ledger accounts. Figure 1.3 A trial balance is prepared from balances of accounts. Accounts are reviewed and the necessary adjustments made. Adjustments are posted in the ledger to prepare adjusted trial balance. Adjusted trial balance is used to prepare the balance sheet and profit and loss account. Financial statements are prepared from the finally adjusted ledger and balancing the accounts. The above accounting cycle can be processed through the use of computers. 3. Reprint 2024-25. 4. Computerized accounting system. 1.3 Salient features of CAS. Following are the salient features required for CAS software. 1.3.1 Simple and integrated. CAS is designed to automate and integrate all the business operations, such as sales, finance, purchase, inventory, and manufacturing. CAS is integrated to provide accurate, up-to-date business information rapidly. The CAS may be integrated with enhanced MIS management information system, multilingual and data organization capabilities to simplify all the business processes of the organization easily and cost-effectively. 1.3.2 Transparency and control. CAS provides sufficient time to plan, increases data accessibility, and enhances user satisfaction. With computerized accounting, the organization will have greater transparency for day-to-day business operations and access to the vital information. 1.3.3 Accuracy and speed. CAS provides user-definable templates, data entry screens or forms for fast, accurate data entry of the transactions. It also helps in generalizing desired documents and reports. 1.3.4 Scalability. CAS enables in changing the volume of data processing in tune with the change in the size of the business. The software can be used for any size of the business and type of the organization. 1.3.5 Reliability. CAS makes sure that the generalized critical financial information is accurate, controlled and secured. 1.4 Grouping of accounts. The increase in the number of transactions changes the volume and size of the business. Therefore, it becomes necessary to have proper classification of data. The basic classifications of different accounts embodied in a transaction are resorted through accounting equation. Accounting equation. The modern accounting is based on double entry system, which implies equality of assets and equities, liabilities and capital, i.e. A equals A where A equals L plus C. Now A equals L plus C where A equals assets. Reprint 2024-25. Overview of computerized accounting system. A equals equities, C equals capital, L equals liabilities. Thus, assets equals liabilities plus capital. In this equation, the liabilities means claims on the firm by creditors and the capital means claims of owners. The claims of owners keep on changing due to success, profit, or failure, loss of the firm. This is reflected by the income statement, which provides the summary of income and expenses of business for a given accounting period. Keeping this in view, the above equation can be rewritten as assets equals liabilities plus capital plus revenues, expenses. Each component of the above equation can be divided into groups of accounts as follows. Revenue. Revenue means inflow of resources, which results from the sale of goods or services in the normal course of business and increase in capital. Expenses imply consumption of resources in generating revenues. Equity and liabilities. Shareholders' funds. Share capital. Reserves and surplus. Money received against share warrants. Share application money pending allotment. Non-current liabilities. Long-term borrowings. Deferred tax liabilities, net. Other long-term liabilities. Long-term provisions. Current liabilities. Short-term borrowings. Trade payables. Other current liabilities. Short-term provisions. 5. Reprint 2024-25. 6. Computerized accounting system. ASSETS 1. Non-current assets. Fixed assets. Tangible assets. Intangible assets. Capital work in progress. Intangible assets under development. Fixed assets held for sales. Non-current investments. Deferred tax assets, net. Long-term loans and advances. Other non-current assets. 2. Current assets. Current investments. Inventories. Trade receivables. Cash and cash equivalents. Short-term loans and advances. Other current assets. Revenues. Sales. Other income. Expenses. Material consumed. Salary and wages. Manufacturing expenses. Depreciation. Administrative expenses. Interest. Selling and distribution expenses. There is a hierarchical relationship between the groups and its components. In order to maintain the hierarchical relationships between a group and its subgroups, proper codification is required to ensure neatness of classification. 1.4.1 Codification of accounts. According to Concise Oxford Dictionary, the term code means a system of letter or figure with arbitrary meaning for brevity and for machine processing of information. Thus, code is an identification mark.